Alright, good morning. Today is Wednesday, the 18th of October, and if you recall back to yesterday's video, we had a good trade in the stock IPXL, right? And I told you all about it. We day traded it yesterday. Now, we did make a lot of money day trading. If you recall, look at the market opened up higher, lower rather, right? And look at, this is where it closed on Monday, opened up Tuesday. You saw us go along right down in here. And unfortunately, remember what I said yesterday, that I thought the market would come up minimum of 50% from the gap, right? This is where it closed on Monday, opened up. So roughly 50% would be up in here, maybe a little bit lower, right? So we took a trade down here for a day trade. Now, I also told you that this was an algorithmic trade that I had, so we actually bought it on the opening, all right? There's a perfect setup. So we bought that on the opening at $17, okay, and 35 cents. But I also decided to day trade in another account because of the fact I just really thought the market would go a lot higher and I could also make money on the day trade, which we did. But we got out a little premature. We got out, look at this is a 10-minute chart over here, 3-minute chart over here. We bought this right here and we ended up exiting this market up in here and right down in here. Definitely premature. I used a 5-bar simple moving average and exited right in here, unfortunately. Look at this market. The market moved higher yesterday all day long. Okay? Now, this is an account where my swing trade is. You'll see IPXL right here on this line, right? It called for 357 shares, right? Based on how much I'm trading this system with, right? And right now we're up $849 in my Interactive Brokers account. And as you can see, it's been a big mover. So again, we bought this out of the gate yesterday based on one of the algorithmic trading strategies that I use for swing trading, not day trading, but for swing trading. And so what I do, I run a scan, I find a bunch of stocks, and it tells me exactly what to do and where to do it. But I find that running these scans also gives me some good day trading opportunities, and so that's why we took this day trading opportunity yesterday, okay? So again, I just wanted to show you that. This is the account. We're up 849 in that. So let's flip to the E-mini S&P 500 futures and see if we can get a day trade here. All right, essentially, the IPXL trade, this is what it looked like on a daily chart, right? Opened up right where my white horizontal line is. Again, $17.35. Bought this on the open and day traded it like I just talked about. Look at that. That's a big bar, right? It pretty much filled that gap. Look at where the close of Monday was. Look at that. Filled that gap. And this is where it is today. Okay? Let's take a look at some of these other markets here. All right, look at Starbucks. Now, remember what I said a couple days ago, that this is an area in which I would be buying this market. And you could buy calls if you want to go long. It's up to you. But I bought some down here, these two white horizontal lines, if you recall. But I told you a couple days ago that right down in here would be an entry, and so I got in more down in here on Starbucks. Looking for, I mean, who doesn't go to Starbucks, right? It's a great company, want to own it. So that's Starbucks. Let's take a look at something else here. All right, we're looking at the ADMS trade now. Stop on this was 1833, did not hit it, missed it, and take a look at this bottom bar here, right? Got a big tail down in here, closed up in here, so I think we're good to go. We'll see. We'll see if this market can start making its move to the upside. We'll see. All right, and this is the trade of the day will be for Thursday, if you're looking to swing trade. It's OCUR. All right, trend is up, strong uptrend. Hit this high, we've come down quite a bit. Oversold on that 2-bar RSI, actually got bullish divergence here. Got slammed, gap lower, traded down, closed down in here. Now the market's open here. Could be an alright day trade if we get a little pullback. I was a little early or a little late on the draw to be buying this as it opened up a little lower and then dropped. Let me show you on a an intraday chart, what that looks like. But again, you're going to be getting this email after the close. So what's going to happen is, and I can tell you this, today will be an inside day, right? The high will be lower, of course, than yesterday's high, and the low will be higher than yesterday's low. So we'll have an inside day. So we'll have a perfect opportunity, right? We'll have an inside day. Now, wherever this range ends up, who knows? But I will be looking to buy this market up through today's high. Looking for a follow through to the upside. Look at 1910 now. Let's look at an intraday chart here. All right, this is what an intraday chart looks like. All right, this is where it closed yesterday. Opened up, traded down in here, and we're all the way up in here now, right in here. So I was a little slow on that. I had this on my radar to be looking at this on the open. And again, we dropped down to here. Look at this. We dropped down to 1855. We're at 1913 already. That's a pretty nice move to the upside. So that's about it. If you got any questions, reach out. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Hope you're finding these daily updates helpful to you in your trading. Again, what I would suggest when you get these emails, and this is what I do, and this is one of the reasons why I put this together, is to help you to get more out of the market. So we give you a good recap here. Let me just show you something. All right, so this is the daily actionable newsletter that we send out every day, right? So you get my video here, Dr. Reed, absolutely fantastic, has improved my trading greatly because it's all a mind game, right? Great, great, great. So this is what I like. Okay, look at this. And that analyst upgrades and downgrades, earnings, upcoming economic events and news, and basically we give you a small little snapshot here of, you know, gold, silver, copper, Brent crude oil right in here. I love it. But again, today, housing starts. It was at 8:30 this morning, right? The beige book at 2 o'clock. Important stuff. Obviously, earnings. So if you want to take advantage of certain stocks, right, that are going to get volatility, well, here we go. Abbott Laboratories is today. ABT. All right, Alcoa, American Express, Crown Holdings. I mean, this is all good stuff. And then again, these stocks right in here, analyst upgrades and downgrades, is going to make each one of these stocks more volatile. So take the symbols, because we're including the symbols here. Just pop them up on your watch list and take a look at those. Okay? And again, this will tell you what the important events for the day. All right? Hope that helps. Be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.